Hey everybody, so today I'm at Lambertville. I plan on selling the 2 rings I picked up at the storage room. I'm going to pull out the stones, or have them give me the stones. It took me a bit to get here because I had to empty the truck, so it's 10 o'clock, but there's a lot of vendors. I'd say there's probably 50 or 60 vendors, so hopefully we find something. I don't know, we'll see in a little bit. So there's a bunch of people here today. Sorry about that. I'll lock your set. I like that table. It's kind of cool.
You want me to go home?
No.
Why not? Because you'll give me the money, I'll go home.
Morning, Jim.
Fine. Here, look this piece. This is Burlington County College.
That's kind of different.
Here, you want a library card?
No, thank you.
Here, you get on to college.
What's that for?
This is perfect.
How much is that one, Jim?
25 on these. It's possible. Early.
I think it's.
Here, Kenny.
I think it just holds a 45 or something.
Go get a book.
Community college.
Here, you can go get a book.
Oh, these are the ones.
Yeah.
I have some coins as well.
No, put that in your pocket. Christmas.
This is the stamps.
How much are your Legos?
$3. Here, put them back.
Junior Fire Marshal. Let's see, you got 1, 2, 3. 3 Lego figures.
That is more.
Oh no, this is Mega Block.
These are what?
Mega Block.
That's different.
Yeah. But you'll get your $3. Did you go away for a little bit, Jim?
Yes.
Good.
Visit family.
Oh, Jim always has
Bring your
interesting
catalog.
things.
Come on. I'll get my own catalog.
All right, let's see if we find anything else.
I got the tongs. We'll see if they're never hinged. Here's a look at the little dolphin.
I like the cufflinks though.
Why? Let me get my tongs.
What is this?
Here, I got some right here.
I think it's a pipe holder.
Yeah.
It's a Lady Patricia.
All right, I'm gonna get those. This is a good table here. It's sterling. We'll make a little pile. Cats, sterling. Light is terrible.
Dave, you're not setting up at Columbus anymore on Sunday?
I'm going to tomorrow.
Okay.
I figure once I was waiting for the free month, so I'm going to pay for the month for
Well, that starts next week.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go set up tomorrow so I get the rent
Okay.
for the month or 2 months.
I mean, if you get decent weather, I mean, it's definitely worth it.
Yeah, well, I'm hoping that it gets cold so that way less people show up.
Less vendors, yeah.
Yeah. How much is this stuff right here? Sorry. Here, you can actually just look at it. I got 1, 2, 3.
Be like $1 each.
All right.
I was thinking about giving up Columbus on Sunday.
It's
I just don't sell anything, you know.
it's more one. It's
You know,
where
like
you
this
let go
kind of
things.
Stuff, you know, if you do a clean out and you get like a bunch of household crap, then you can do decent there, you know.
Yeah, but I don't know. I can't let it go. I mean, it was nice taking a break from it.
I mean, I came really close to giving up my spot. I have a good spot there. You
Yes.
know, my spot. I'm next to Ryan.
You have a triple spot for single.
Double
Yeah.
spot. Yeah, double spot. I came super close. I don't know if you know Joe. He used to do trains. He's a heavy-set guy.
Yeah.
older guy. Well,
give it to him.
that was his spot, and he gave it to Paulie's father, and then Paulie's father gave it up and gave it to me. You know, so if I give it up, I want to offer it back to Joe. You know.
Yep.
Only to be fair, it was his spot, you know. But even for him, I mean, he doesn't bring anything, you know, that's any good anyway, you know.
I don't know. I always make money there, so it's kind of hard.
A lot of times I make like $100, you know.
What do you want for that tangle?
Like everything you got, $10.
$10. It should work. All right. You got a bag? What was this to?
That's
Is it a candle holder?
no, it's like a cap to like a bottle or something. I don't know what the hell it is.
Throw that in with
Throw
it?
it in.
Thank you. All right.
Oh man.
There's a lot of people here. He's got some interesting pins. I like the musky one. What do you get on your pins a piece?
What do you give her?
Your pins? What do you get on them a
Depends
piece?
which ones.
Like, what do you get on the fish?
I'll do $4 on the fish.
Okay. I was
Back
just
for
wondering.
him, too.
Thank you.
You and Andrew can have.
Yeah, he's gonna quiver.
There's definitely a lot of pins out here today. Definitely cool. That's cool. He's got a single ear, but he's just neat. I think my favorite thing of the day was that head. Morning. Little silver bell. great finial. Might be for a curtain rod, but nah, it's finial. How much is your finial? Oh, okay. Gentleman is over here. Clown nutcracker. She has some nice stuff too. So I got the finial for $5, and I just picked up this ring for $4. It had a cameo on it. I think it's a unmarked rose gold. We're gonna go bring it over to the smelter. I'll show it to you in the sun. It's pretty cool. But for $4, it was a deal. We'll find out when I go over to the scrapper. It's a neat little Roman coin. 40 BC. Got my found this guy. It's a high carat. I don't know I don't know the carat on it. I need the stone back.
Oh yeah.
And then yeah, it's
all right. Well, let's get the chemical test.
all right. I don't know. Hopefully they bring out some decent money. We'll find out. You think that one might be 18 then?
Well, it's more yellow than this. It was high grade. And it's 18 acid. So.
And then I just found a ring that you have to.
All right, so this is
So,
18.
so this one's 18
Yeah, and
and that one's 14. All
yeah.
right.
And this is-
That's 14 acid.
and it's stained yellow.
Mm-hmm.
So
So,
if it turned to brown, then it's in a 10 carat.
and I just found this for $4, and I think it's a rose gold, but I don't. It's a little
tiger eye.
it's a little tiger eye cameo, but my guess is it's 10 carat since it faded. But it might be 14. Oh, definitely scratched nice.
Yes, it's fading. So it's like in a 10 because it's turning where we could hardly see it.
Yep, that makes sense.
But see, you get probably a premium as a ring.
Oh no, that's
yeah.
not. I'm not gonna. But
yeah, but this will just show you an example. So here, basically, a little less than 2 pennyweights without the stone. So in the gold is maybe only like $45 to $50, but as an antique ring, you maybe $95.
I would think so. Yeah. I have a collection of neat Victorian and 20s gold. So 17.
17.4.
Pennyweight?
Yes.
Awesome. 20 pennyweights a full ounce. I told you that was a heavy ring.
Stone back to
yeah.
So we get
But it doesn't have to happen today.
I'll get it for you times 32.5. Yeah, $520.
Just
alone.
on that ring?
Yeah, $500.
Minus the stone weight. So.
No, I took it off already.
Yeah.
Yeah, so $520.
That's pretty good for my $30. This one should just pop right out right now because if you have a way to pop that. This one's going to need a little bit of surgery to get it out. This is a star ruby, I was told. I guess all rubies are sapphires. But
what happens, it's cabochon, it's not flat in the bottom, so it's a cab, they call it, like a half circle.
Yep, I see it. How many carats would that be? do you think?
Looks like
5?
yeah, 4 to 5 carat.
So he's trying to cut the ring, but of course it's being ornery. It was kind of like a thick homemade ring, so that's why it's so hard to cut. It's not that thin.
No. Do you want to wear?
So that stone came right out. All right, hopefully this is 10 penny weight. It might be. 8.
8.4.
18 carats, so that's pretty good. So I did have over an ounce on the 2 because 20 penny weight, so I had 1.2 ounces, something like that.
$350.
350, so 520 plus 350, 880 for the $30 room. That's definitely a winner. And I could get 50 for this if I really wanted to scrap it, but I'm keeping it just because it's too cool. And it was only $4. I love all the detail they put in that old jewelry.
Isn't it? It was 520 and 350, right? 870.
Yep. 870. Oh yes, 870, not 880. There you can see the star real well in the sun. Now it just needs to be repolished.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
So that should be 25.
Yeah, I'm gonna double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 500,
Thank you.
600, 700, 800.
Awesome.
And then 700.
$70. All right.
Okay,
Well,
now we'll get that stone back to you.
yep. Thank you. I don't know. I always like these weird boxes. So I was pretty lucky. We'll see if the luck holds. Maybe we'll find one other piece of something.
Good morning.
Good morning. That was definitely the most gold I've scrapped in a while. And I still got, I think I got over $100 in change out of that storage room. So it was definitely, definitely my winner of the end of the year. So, all right, we'll see if we find anything else. Did you sell the beer coasters? Yeah. Good. I always like these Victorian cutouts. He's one of the ephemera dealers here at Lambertville.
I thought you wanted to go to college. Here, Dave, you want to go to college?
Can you take
Sure.
these?
Go ahead.
Take this. Okay.
Burlington. Oh, you could put the.
What?
you should have it.
I did have it.
Are you trying to give it to Bruce?
I was trying to give him the rag.
Oh, right. Well, but Bruce would take them. I like the metal hockey players. All right, Jim. I'll catch you later.
Maybe rabbits, I don't know.
Oh yeah, but they're not good. They got wet.
Rescue bot. Man, it is. It's windy. I think we're out of here. Big snowboard.
We got it. We got it here.
Hello, Happy New Year, guys.
Yeah, Happy New Year. Definitely having fun at the market today. That's a cool belt buckle. Definitely my favorite piece of turquoise of the day. So I found these flash bulbs, but there's a...
Oh, these are the end.
Yeah, I needed this film too. My friend, I traded guitar lessons. Traded guitar lessons for old film for my kid.
There you go. But he had the cubes in here someplace.
How much? I think he sold those.
did he?
Not in there. There's one cube.
They're all there, yeah.
How much for the film and stuff? These two.
These are flash.
Let's see what he says. So this is what I picked up today at the market. I got these for $2. I think there's 3 rolls of film in there, so that's not that bad. I really like this bronze. What's it called? I can't think of finial for a lamp. These are marked sterling silver. The horses are like Roman or Greek coins, copy of Greek coins. This, I believe, is an ashtray, or it could be a pencil sharpener. I don't know. It would make a really cool ashtray. I got the little sterling belt buckle piece. This is made by Christoph. It's a silver plate. He said it was a topper, but I think it's a candlestick holder. Got this gold and moss agate clips. I'm not sure. And the mouse, little sterling ring. I thought there might be a piece of gold in this. I had to check it later. See this? This right here kind of look gold, but no, it's just Trifari. But I did pretty good, I think, especially with the gold ring for $4, and made a ton of money on that storage room. It took me about 6 hours, I guess, in total after getting rid of the trash, to sort everything and, you know, come here and get the gold, so, or get the money for the gold. So hope you guys thought this video was pretty helpful. I'll see everybody later, and thank you very much. If you haven't yet, subscribe, and Happy New Year to everybody. Peace.